Hello everyone, welcome back to our Nutanix How to Guide series. In our previous videos, we had talked a lot of things about Prism Element, creating VMs and all that notifications. So in this part of the video, we'll be talking about software upgrades. I'll be doing software upgrades that includes BMC as well as our driver upgrades as well. So let's get started.
So for upgrading software and for upgrading software updates, Nutanix recommends performing most upgrades through Lifecycle Manager (LCM) in the web console. I'll show you LCM. It's in the drop-down menu. The second last option, it's LCM. I'll click. So for example, Lifecycle Manager can inventory your cluster and recommend updates to Foundation, AOS, AHV, Nutanix Cluster Check, firmware, and other components. Nutanix has designed LCM to automatically consider upgrade dependencies and upgrade software components in the appropriate order. So here all we are supposed to do is on inventory. We just need to perform inventory. So it's gonna take a long time, some 10-20 minutes or more than that. So it shows all the details of what are the requirements of the cluster. So as you can see here, all these are done here. So the software it is recommending is this one for hypervisor AHV, this for AOS, and this for cluster maintenance utilities. So all you need to do is click and then view the update plan, and all we can do is like set an update on the plan. I'll cancel this for now. So there is a short-term release as it's writing on exclamation. So the other ways of doing all the different kind of upgrades is through settings here from the drop down menu, and then the best way to choose an upgrade. So in upgrade software, I'll click here. So the best way to choose is if we have Prism Central running in the cluster, so we will upgrade NCC on Prism Central first, then upgrade Prism Central, and then we come to Prism Element where we will upgrade NCC here. Currently, as you can see, the current version is this 4.0.1, and then there are no available versions for upgrade. So the next step will be to upgrade Foundation on Prism Element. So there is the Foundation. The current Foundation is this one, and there is no available upgrade. So the other is then upgrading AOS, and then upgrade. So here we can just click download and then upgrade. It's 2 clicks away from upgrading. Then we can upgrade our LCM, as you saw LCM from here, performing inventory and then upgrading the rest. And then upgrade hypervisor hosts. Currently hypervisor has been moved to Lifecycle Manager, so we can upgrade it from there. Then we can upgrade our additional file server. So all you need to do is click download and then upgrade it. So it's that simple for upgrading, and it has zero downtime. So some good feature in Nutanix. So thank you for watching.
So we just went through our software upgrades. So stay tuned, we'll be back with our new videos. Thank you guys.